Stay with me.
Hello guys, it's me Ninja and welcome to my new video. So hope you guys can enjoy the video. So if you do, hit the like button and comment whatever you like. So with that, let's start today's video with the first anime on our list, Be the Beginning. So in this anime story, there is a bad group doing some bad stuff in the name of doing good. So all of the members in this group have some kind of a supernatural powers. So there is a girl in this group who have forgotten about her past, and our main character in this anime, he likes that girl. So that's why our main character with his supernatural powers following this group to get his girlfriend back. So while he encountered that group, he have to fight against one of the supernatural members. So there is also our other main character in this anime. So he is a detective. So he doesn't really know about this group or their supernatural powers. So he is trying to solve their crime, and that's why he also got involved with them. So with all of that, it's a pretty good anime and definitely worth watching. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Fugu Keiji. So this anime, it's about our main character who is super rich and he wants to be a detective. So now in this anime, he gonna try to solve all of the problems with the power of money. And on the other hand, our second main character, he doesn't really like this type of stuff. So what gonna happen between them? Yeah, that's kind of a thing. But as for me, I'm interested about our rich main character. I want to see how he gonna solve all of the problems with his money. So yeah, that's gonna be super comedic to watch. So definitely good anime and definitely worth watching. High recommendation for me. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Dust Maiden of Amnesia. So this anime, it's kind of a dark anime, kinda have a horror vibe to it. Yeah, not really that scary or anything, but still every episode is kinda dark, gloomy. So this anime, it's mainly take place in a high school. So there is a thing that past someone died in this high school and her ghost still in this high school somewhere. So our creepy heroine with few others made an investigation club in this high school where they gonna try to hunt those ghosts and stuff. So as I say, kinda have a dark vibe but not really that scary. So as for our hero, he is also in that club and in a relationship with our scary heroine. So yeah, they gonna investigate stuff in this high school, have little bit of supernatural element to it. For that you have to watch the anime. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Eden of the East. So in this anime, a terrorist attack happened on Japan, but none of the people died in this terrorist attack, so they call it Careless Monday. So starting in this anime, our heroine on her graduation trip to America, she saw a naked Japanese man, our hero in this anime, and he is suffering from amnesia. So for some reason, our main character, he have lots of digital money, and he also thinks that he is the mastermind behind that terrorist attack. So now at first, our heroine decided to help our main character, and that's how she got involved with something big. So now in this anime story, something big going to happen, and what that is, to find out you have to watch the anime. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna talk about in this video. But the video itself, it's not over yet. So there are quite a few animes in this list I'm not gonna commentary on. So you can enjoy the anime with some good old music. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna showcase in this video. Hope you guys found something good to watch and see you in the next one.